Hey guys, what's going on? It's Cryptocurrencies here. So today we're going to talk about DogeCoin, a coin that has always been around but now is getting a lot of attention and has been skyrocketing really to the moon. So to summarize things, DogeCoin has been around there since the beginning of cryptocurrencies. It has always been there and it was one of the first cryptocurrencies. So DogeCoin is there to do transactions with very low fees and it's very fast. So right now, the Doge fees I think are around 15 Doges for one transaction, which right now will be about 15 cents, so very cheap, and it only takes around a couple minutes, which is a really nice thing because right now with Bitcoin and Ethereum we have the problem that the fees are getting very high and transactions take very long. So Dogecoin has been there since a very long time and it has now been skyrocketing literally to the moon. So you can see in January 2014 when Dogecoin came out, it had a real parabolic run up. I think that's because it's just a nice meme coin. It was a meme coin back then, but right now it's not a meme coin. It's really useful actually. So it had a real parabolic run to a high of 272 Satoshis and a US dollar equation of literally nothing, so 0.0017 was the all-time high back then. Then US dollar kept basically or stayed the same. And then again in July, when the big cryptocurrency boom occurred, the price shot up again. It had a pullback, but now in the last month has been going up from around 300 million market cap to around 2 billion right now, which is almost a 10-time increase. So you would have literally 10 times your investment in 1 month, which is a very nice thing. So if we look at the social community of Dogecoin, Dogecoin's subreddit actually has 99,000 subscribers and is I think the most popular cryptocurrency subreddit right now, except from Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and crypto markets obviously. So just talking about altcoins, I think this is the most subscribed subreddit. So it's a really active community. Right now there are 4,600 people online scrolling through the subreddit. Obviously, if you take a look at it, it's a very meme subreddit, so to say. So if we look at the posts here, if you look at that, they actually raised $30,000 for the Jamaican bobsled team to go to the Olympics. But if you look at the picture, it's just a meme picture of a Shiba Inu, which is the Doge. So if we speak of technical analysis, a price of $1 right now, we would need a market cap of around 100. So we actually would need a market cap of 112,662,000,000. So more than 50 times the market cap we have right now. And it will place us at second place, just above Ethereum and under Ripple. So it's still a whole year to go, but honestly I gotta say, a market cap this huge, it's not impossible because you never know what's going to happen. Especially this year, you really don't know what's going to happen, but I cannot see $112 billion. Well, obviously I'm gonna get a lot of hate from the Dogecoin enthusiasts now, but I think 112 billion is a bit too high. I could though definitely see Dogecoin around 50 billion at the end of the year because it's actually really useful. And the coins that make transactions easier and faster, like Ripple or Bitcoin Cash or IOTA or Stellar, are actually, as you can see, already all in the top 10. So Litecoin for transactions, Stellar, Ripple, IOTA has fast transactions too. So people are really putting the money into things that have fast transactions and where the transaction fees are very low. So this was my price prediction. I think it will not reach $1. Maybe I'm gonna get a little hate, but that's okay for me. It's just a technical part. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching.